Hey guys, today I want to talk about the grading on pre-finished engineered hardwood flooring. Now notice I said pre-finished hardwood flooring. The grading on pre-finished flooring is totally different than grading on unfinished flooring. And whenever I say unfinished flooring, I'm talking about both engineered and solid. Unfinished flooring is graded on the criteria set forth by the NWFA. The NWFA stands for the National Wood Flooring Association. The different grades are select being the best, followed by number 1, and then the lowest grade is number 2. This piece right here is a perfect example of a full-length board that does not meet first quality grading criteria. See that knot hole right here? That's the huge defect. So what the mill will do is actually cut this out, put the new tongue and groove on it. This piece would go to cabin grade, and then this piece would be defect-free and go to first quality. Now, whenever it comes to pre-finished engineered hardwood flooring, the grading criteria is set by each individual mill. Now, obviously these mills are going out to make the best possible quality flooring they can. However, with wood being a natural product, it has natural defects. So you are going to come across some pieces that have knots, splits, and some mineral streaks. The mills will actually put that into a separate category, which is called cabin grade. Now, whenever it comes to cabin grade, the grading criteria is going to be set by each individual mill. What you're going to commonly find is going to be shorter pieces, bigger knots, more splits, some mineral stain, color variation, and in some cases, orange peel in the finish. So let's talk a little bit more about the defects in cabin grade flooring. We'll start with knots. Now remember, this material is made from a product of Mother Nature, so all the defects in hardwood flooring are completely natural, and that's what makes the flooring so unique. Now, knot holes are actually where a limb fell off and the tree continued to grow around it. So think of a knot hole as a scar on a tree. Now, one of the more unique defects in wood is mineral stain. Now, how that happens is the root system of a tree gathers water from the ground. If there's certain minerals in the water, such as zinc or ore, it'll actually go through and stain the fibers of the tree. So think of it as rust in a tree. Now, another common defect in cabin grade flooring is going to be splits. Now, splits occur at the mill during the drying process of the wood. Weak fibers will actually pull apart. However, once the material is dried to the proper moisture content, the flooring is completely stable. Now, the final defect that we're going to talk about is orange peel. And unlike the other defects that we spoke about, it is not a product of Mother Nature. It actually happens at the mill, and it happens during the finishing process. Now, during the finishing process, the flooring is placed on a conveyor belt, and first the stain is applied for the color, and then several coats of the protective finish go on. Now, if there's any excess moisture in the wood itself or in the atmosphere, orange peel can occur. Now, the one thing to keep in mind about orange peel, even though it's not visually as appealing, it's still extremely durable as the first quality. Now, the mills refer to the pieces in cabin grade flooring as having defects, but we look at it as being unique. It's a wood floor crafted by Mother Nature. Now, another great benefit of cabin grade flooring is the price. You can typically save up to 70% compared to first quality flooring. So not only do you get a one-of-a-kind floor, it's a tremendous value.